Welcome to Wall Street Confidential, the show we give you the inside scoop as to what's really happening on Wall Street. I'm Greg Greenberg, here with Jim Cramer. Jim is the 800-pound gorilla in the stock advising business, but Cisco is the 800-pound gorilla in the routing business, the networking business, and they're finally acting like it. What do you think about that?
I'm concerned. I have liked Brocade. It's crucial for Brocade to be able to have margin expansion. A revitalized Cisco is not good for Brocade. But I do believe that when you speak about Cisco going up against people, you want to be a seller of Tellabs, a seller of Juniper. You want to be a buyer of Akamai because that means there's more video coming, and Akamai, very big upgrade this morning. And Brocade is the question mark. I think that the savings that will come from McData are going to trump any sort of margin contraction that could be from Cisco.
Scott Martz has the article about this morning. He says it's going to sink folks like Riverbed, F5. A lot of these small guys that
F5 has been acting very doggy.
They don't have the market share, and Cisco is finally acting
F5's
strong.
been acting very doggy. That has happened periodically. It's always been right to buy. Riverbed's too unseasoned. I see a lot of upgrades. I'm inclined to like Riverbed, but then again, we know that the history of the smaller companies that come into the sector, with the exception of Akamai and perhaps Omniture, is just too dangerous to own.
So now, does Cisco go against your don't own tech seasonal play, or is Cisco,
Cisco
okay here?
Cisco's one of mine. Apple's one. Apple coming down nicely here. I think it's an interesting level. Microsoft, although Microsoft has been a bit of a rock of Gibraltar 28, despite taking off by the Goldman conviction buy. And I do want to own Google every time it goes to 450.
Google trade below 450?
Yes, because it's just too cheap on a multiple basis. A lot of the momentum guys have gotten out of it, and it sells at 1 times its growth rate, which is a little ridiculous.
All right, that's ridiculous. But you know what's not ridiculous? Wall Street Confidential. Cramer, Greenberg, please come back.